Hello, my name is Peter Sneller and I'm one of the instructors here at CRM Aviation. Today I'm just going to give you a brief introduction on how the Rockwell Collins FMS is programmed. So first of all, we're going to look at the status. It's important to make sure that the database is in date. So the active database is from the 17th of June 2021 to the 15th of July 2021, and it's the 8th of July now, so that's good. The database is valid. You'll see up here it says 1/2. That means that there's another page. So if I go to next page here and press that button, we just check that the engine rating and the maximum takeoff weight are correct. So now we can move on to actually program the flight plan. So the first thing I'm going to do is select the flight plan button, and you can see there's two boxes here that need inputs. The origin and the destination. Today we're just going to do a short flight. We're going to go from Echo Golf Papa Foxtrot, which is Glasgow, to the destination is Echo Golf Charlie Charlie, which is Manchester. So that's given it the origin and the destination, and you can see execute here. We go to the execute button and we press it, and that locks it in. We then go to the departure and the arrival, and today we're going to depart from runway 05 at Glasgow. So I select the 05 and we're going to fly a New Galloway 3 Juliet standard instrument departure. So I select New Galloway 3 Juliet, and you can see that comes up on the flight plan. There's an execute prompt, so I'm going to go, yep, I'd like that, please. We're now going to press the departure arrival button again, and you can see we can put in the arrival for Manchester. So I'm going to press the arrival button, and today we're going to be landing on 05 left, so I'm going to select the ILS, or whatever approach you want, ILS for 05 left. We don't want to transition in, but we do want a star, a standard arrival route. So the stars are all down the left hand side, but you can see that the Rosen 1 Alpha, which is what we're going to fly, isn't actually there. So what I'm going to do is just sequence through a couple of pages, and there's the Rosen 1 Alpha. I'm going to say, yep, we want that. We don't want any of these transitions, and again I'm going to execute. So that's now programmed the departure and the arrival at the origin and the destination, and I'm going to go to the legs page now, and I'm just going to sequence through the legs page. There's runway 05 at Glasgow. We go to Exus, Alban, other way around, Exus, Elban, Turnberry 34 to Norbo and New Galloway. Now I know from the flight plan, the paper flight plan that we get, that the next point after New Galloway is Dean Cross. You can see it says discontinuity there. That just means a gap in the flight plan. So what I'm going to do to get rid of that gap, I'm going to press Dean Cross, which will bring Dean Cross down to the scratch pad, and then I just simply input it into those boxes there, and that joins up that discontinuity. I then continue to check the flight plan, and we go down Lakey, Trent 56 to Rosen, and then there's another discontinuity there. Now this is good discontinuity because we know that at Manchester we will get radar vectors to the ILS. So Rosen is our clearance limit point, so I'm happy with that discontinuity in the flight plan. The reason being is because we know we'll get radar vectored off Rosen. So now we've got departure, arrival, we've got basically the whole route in there, and we can then go ahead and put in some of the performance information. But for now, that's probably enough just to show you the basic way of how we program the FMC. Thank you.